Today we are going to learn about plane scale. Plane scale is basically a scale. We define it as the relation between map distance and the ground distance. So the purpose for making scale is that first that it gives the reader context of size of areas on a map, and it converts the physical map units to life units. Basically we are if we are pointing tree, a real life tree, on a map, then we are using scale to convert it into a smaller size so that we can point it in on a map. And also the basic element of good maps. It is basically one of the most important element on the map. So method of expressing a scale is that there are three methods basically. By statement scale, which we known as SS, and by representative fraction, which in short form we use it as an RF, and by geographical method, which is basically bar graph. So first of all, we are focusing on RF. Unit system we use in scale is basically two, that is English system and metric systems. So basically these two unit systems are really important in scales, and it helps to convert different types of real life features into map features. So in English system, basically we use these common unit systems, and these unit systems are the most common systems which are being used in other countries, more like in Europe and in America, etc. So you can remember that if you are making maps related to European countries or other Western countries, so they are basically related to English. Okay, so in 1 foot we have 12 inches, and inches is basically the smallest unit in scale. So this smallest unit helps to convert other features. Basically you have to remember on geometrical scale we have two units, one is inch and one is centimeter. So we are using inch in English system. 1 yard is basically equals to 3 feet, and 1 furlong is equals to 220 yards, and 1 mile is equals to 8 furlong, and mile is basically the largest unit in English system. So if we need to show furlong feature, like it was a 6 furlong, so we have to convert it into inches before drawing it on a map. The second system is basically metric system, and it is basically used mostly in Pakistan. You can easily remember it as that in our country mostly people are metric based, so we use metric system in this country. So we have 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and this unit we are not using in maps. Why? Because millimeter cannot be shown on maps. So what we use is that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. In it we have centimeter as the smallest unit and kilometer as the largest unit in metric system. So in this video we are going to focus only how to convert RF into SS. So basically what is RF? RF is basically shown in a ratio form, and it has a good advantage that we can convert it into different unit systems. Okay, so first of all we are going to convert RF into SS, means statement scale, for in our metric system. So in RF we have given 1:1300,000. So basically what RF is, it has 1/ratio of other. So it is basically map distance over ground distance. Okay, so in it, the first rule in RF is that one numerator always, that is a numerator, and units of numerator and denominator should be same. So if we have this question and we have to convert it into kilometers, for example, then it means they both have same units. So it means that is 1/1300,000. So its numerator is also in centimeter and its denominator is also in centimeter. Why it is in centimeter? Because the smallest unit in metric system is centimeter. And why it is centimeter? Because we are showing 1 centimeter on a map is equals to 1300,000 centimeters on a ground. Okay, that is on a map distance, and that is on a ground distance. So how we are going to convert it into statement? Basically that is a RF. First of all, we need to know that 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. Okay, and 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So we are moving from centimeter to kilometer. It means we are moving from smallest unit to towards largest unit. We are going to multiply these two values, means 100 multiplied by 1000, which is 100,000. So we had converted 1 centimeter is equals to 100,000 kilometers. Now what we are going to do is that was basically a rough work. So what we are going to do, that we are converting centimeter into kilometers. We are going to divide this unit by this work, means 1/1300,000 divided by 100,000, which was this value. So we get 1/13. That means 1 centimeter to 13 kilometer. That is our SS. And repeat that 1/1300,000 was divided by 100,000. Why? Because we are moving from centimeter to kilometer, means we are moving from smallest to largest. We are going to divide. And if we are moving from largest to smallest, we are going to multiply. Okay, so that's how you can convert statement scale back into RF, which we are going to see in our next video. So today we had done the RF into SS, from smallest unit to largest unit. Now the next question I had prepared for you to do extra work and to understand the concept how to convert RF into SS. So first question is 1/31300 in meters. The second question is 1/270 in meters, and the next one are similar to in kilometers. We had done the kilometer one, but you can do that. 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So you are going to divide this value by 100. So it will convert it into meters. Now those were basically metric based. Now in English system we have this statement and we have to convert it into miles. If you remembered, in previous page I have shown you that inches is the smallest unit and mile is the largest unit. So over here, same like metric system, we have 1:316,800. It means it is also it in inch, and this unit is also in inch. They will be always in smallest unit in RF. Okay, now we are going to convert it into miles. How we are going to convert it into miles? We need to remember basically what were the English system units, and we are moving as per expected into from inch to miles. It means that from smallest to largest units we are going to divide. So from whom we are going to divide, now we are going to look at that. Basically 12 inch is equals to 1 foot, 3 feet is equals to 1 yard, and 220 yards is equals to 1 furlong, and 8 furlong is equals to 1 mile. Okay, now we are going to use these all values to convert it into miles. How? Simply we are going to multiply them. What we are going to do is that 12 multiply with 3 multiply with 220 multiply by 8, which is equals to 1 inch is equals to 63,360 miles. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to use this value for dividing. So 1:316,800 divided by 63,360. 316,800 divided by 63,360. It is 5. So it is 1:5. Now it is in a statement. That means we can write it into 1 inch to 5 miles. Now you have this assignment to solve. I had given you different questions. You need to convert it into yards, same as in miles and in feet. For yards, a small hint is that you need to only multiply 12 into 3 and then divide these values with this RF. So you will get in yards. Okay. In our next video, we are going to use how to convert statement scale back into RF, and then we are going to see why we are converting these systems into different forms and different methods, why we are converting RF into SS and why we are converting SS into RF.